Hello everyone, my name is Chan Kwasnyak. Well, what I would like to say is this. Peace is not just the absence of conflict. It is the foundation upon which our communities can truly thrive. Today, I want to reflect on the profound benefit that peace brings to our beloved Gambella community. Number one, peace in social harmony and unity. First and foremost, peace fosters social harmony and unity. In a peaceful Gambella, diverse communities come together, living side by side in mutual respect and understanding. Peace, it is the sense of unity that allows us to celebrate our differences while working together toward a common goals. When we are at peace, we build bridges of trust and cooperation, reducing conflicts and fostering a sense of belonging for all. Peace in economic development. Peace is also a catalyst for economic development. In a stable environment, business flourish, investment pour in, and opportunities are abound. Our farmer, traders, and entrepreneurs can pursue their livelihood without fears, leading to economic growth that lift everyone out of poverty. Peace brings prosperity, and prosperity brings hope for a better tomorrow. Peace in education and empowerment. One of the most significant benefits of peace is the opportunity it provides for education and empowerment. In a peaceful Gambella, our children can attend school without disruption, acquiring the knowledge and skill they need to shape their futures. Education is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty, and peace ensures that this key is available to every young person in our communities. Peace in health and well-being. Peace also contributes to better health and well-being. When our communities are peaceful, health care services can operate effectively, ensuring that everyone has access to the care they need. In a peaceful environment, the risk of violence-related injuries are minimized, and the stress of conflict is replaced by a sense of security and well-being. Peace in cultural preservation and exchange. Our rich cultural heritage is one of our greatest treasures, and peace allows us to preserve and celebrate it. Peace encourages cultural exchange and collaboration, enriching the social fabric of Gambella. It is through peace that we can pass on our tradition to future generations, ensuring that our identity remains strong and vibrant. Peace in infrastructure development. Infrastructure is the backbone of progress, and peace enables its development. With stability, we can build and maintain the roads, school, hospital, and water system that are essential for improving the quality of life in our communities. Peace ensures that these vital services are accessible to all, enhancing our daily lives and paving the way for a brighter future. Peace in environmental protection. Peace also gives us the space to focus on protecting our environment. In a peaceful Gambella, we can collaborate on sustainable practice and conservation effort, ensuring that our natural resources are preserved for the benefit of future generations. Peace allows us to be good stewards of the land we call home. Peace in justice and fairness. In a peaceful society, justice and fairness prevail. Peace supports the establishment of systems where rights are respected and grievances can be addressed through dialogue rather than conflict. It is in peace that we find the strength to build a more just and equitable society for all. Peace in tourism and cultural exchange. Peace has the power to open our door to the world. It can attract tourists and visitors who come to learn about our rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. This influx of visitors not only boosts our local economy, but also promote cross-cultural understanding, bringing the world closer to Gambella. Peace in long-term stability. Finally, peace laid the foundation for long-term stability and prosperity. It creates an environment where future generations can grow up without fear, with opportunities for education, employment, and personal development. Peace is the bedrock upon which we build a future of hope, security, and progress. In conclusion, peace is not just a dream. It is a necessity. It is the key to unlocking the full potential of our communities. Let us all commit to nurturing peace in Gambella, knowing that with peace, we pave the way for a brighter, more prosperous future for all.